DevOps and CI-CD Part 22. This episode has 2 questions. For each question, take a moment to think through your own answer before I share a strong approach. Question 1. Explain Docker networking troubleshooting. Here's a strong way to approach it. Docker networking troubleshooting involves identifying and resolving connectivity issues between container left right arrow container left right arrow host container left right arrow internet container left right arrow external services, DB, APIs, etc. Common Docker networking issues. 1. Container cannot reach internet symptom. Docker execute app ping google.com fails. Checks. Docker network ls Docker inspect bridge Docker execute app lookup google.com possible causes. DNS issue firewall rules Docker bridge problem corporate proxy restrictions. 2. Container cannot reach another container. Example, app container DB container application gets connection refused. Check. Docker network ls Docker network inspect my network verify both containers are on the same network. Docker inspect app Docker inspect DB test. Docker execute app ping DB3. Port mapping not working container. Docker run page 8080. 18 ginks expected. Localhost 8080 not reachable. Check. Docker PS verify. Docker port